Ahoy, howdy, and welcome. I'm Wanderin Jim. This is the Mobile Atrocity, and today we're going to have a look into a new little game. Sorry, it's been a while. Food Truck Pup. Okay. Oh, excuse me. Anyways, in Food Truck Pup, you manage your own little business. Oh, here we go. There. In Food Truck Pup, you manage your own little business by selling little strawberry things and dang it. Nope. I have no idea what I'm doing. There we go. Nope. So start again. In Food Truck Pup, you manage your own business. Of course, handing out flyers to get people to come. And then, of course, cooking it. Or just that's pretty much the core of the gameplay. I mean, obviously, there's slightly more to it than that. But yeah, that's also kind of sort of it. You do have to go and collect and garden your own supplies. You have to feed your little fellow now and then. And of course you get to bathe them. As you play the game, you collect money and you can buy furniture and things. Like the stump. Oh wow, the furniture changes with each day too. I don't want that. The fridge is nice though. And we'll get that planned. That's That's kind of it. It's a pretty simple game to play. Sprite works. The music's neat. The atmosphere is calming. If you got a few seconds to kill, I definitely would recommend this game. Nothing groundbreaking, but yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm gonna assume, like other cooking games that I have played on this channel before, you will probably unlock more food options as you play along. As you play along, buy things maybe to upgrade your overall office and whatever. There are also mini games you can play. But yeah, it's a fun little game. When you initially start, you can pick what kind of animal you would play as. And there's a good little variety. Oh, perhaps they can be hired as helpers. Yeah, it's all about managing your own little business. But that's about it. Fun little game. Would recommend it. If you guys like this video, please hit that like button. If you wish to see more stuff like this, then you should subscribe. Also, be sure to hit that bell icon to notify you when new videos go up. I'm Wanderin Jim. This has been the Mobile Atrocity, and I hope you all have a super happy day.